magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX. And today will be a short video regarding what's recently happening to me. And why I have not been posting much videos. As you have known, I had a child again. And it had quite a difficulty when it comes to child rearing and pregnancies and panganak, what do you call that one? Giving birth. So it really ate so much of my budget and what little savings that I have, and I was forced to borrow lots of money from everywhere else just to and also from your everyone's help. So to cut it short, I'm broke. So I wasn't able to buy new units like 3 or 4 times every month a long time ago. Nowadays, I can only look at units. And if someone will lend it for me for review, I will review it. But I won't be able to buy units for any foreseeable future. So if you want something reviewed, the sellers, when the new units for Hydroblasters MNL of Madam Kang has arrived, for sure you will have a review for that one. For other sellers, if you want your units to be reviewed, you can send it to my way and I'll review it and send it back. Okay? But new units for me to buy, not going to happen anytime soon, and I'll try to post some videos every now and then of new products, 3D printed products and stuff. And I will also use this moment to introduce my website, JomarX.com, which is also my Shopify page, because as you know, Lazada has a margin that starting to hurt a bit. They're taking around almost 20% of my gross proceeds, so it hurts. And on top of the 8% for BIR, so ouch. So I created the Shopify page, so if you can help me directly, please order from that page rather than from Lazada. Everything I have on Lazada is on my Shopify page, and since I'm the one choosing the shipment, it's JNT most of the time. Unless you want a different shipping option, just let me know. And it's fixed to 99 pesos only. And I will be starting a loyalty program. That one, it's still ongoing. So for my usual buyers, please buy from Shopify. It will help a lot. Okay? And if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate. Put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. So muli, paalam! Ching!